ولو كانوا يؤمنون بالله والنبي وما أنزل إليهم اتخذوهم أولياء ولكن كثيرا منهم فاسقون.
For had they truly believed in Allah and the Messenger and what was sent down to him, they would not have taken the unbelievers instead of believers for their allies. But many of them have altogether rebelled against Allah.
لتجدن أشد الناس عداوة للذين آمنوا اليهود والذين أشركوا ولتجدن أقربهم مودة للذين آمنوا الذين قالوا إنا نصارى ذلك بأن منهم قسيسين ورهبانا وأنهم لا يستكبرون.
Of all people, you will find the Jews and those who associate others with Allah in His divinity to be the most hostile to those who believe. And you will surely find that of all people, they who say, "We are Christians," are closest to feeling affection for those who believe. This because there are worshipful priests and monks among them, and because they are not arrogant.
وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ تَرَى أَعْيُنَهُمْ تَفِيضُ مِنَ الدَّمْعِ مِمَّا عَرَفُوا مِنَ الْحَقِّ يَقُولُونَ رَبَّنَا آمَنَّا فَاكْتُبْنَا مَعَ الشَّاهِدِينَ.
And when they hear what has been revealed to the messenger, you see that their eyes overflow with tears because of the truth that they recognize, and they say, "Our Lord, we do believe. Write us down, therefore, with those who bear witness to the truth."
وَمَا لَنَا لَا نُؤْمِنُ بِاللَّهِ وَمَا جَاءَنَا مِنَ الْحَقِّ وَنَطْمَعُ أَن يُدْخِلَنَا رَبُّنَا مَعَ الْقَوْمِ الصَّالِحِينَ.
And why should we not believe in Allah and the truth which has come down to us, when we do fervently desire that our Lord should include us among the righteous?
فأثابهم الله بما قالوا جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها وذلك جزاء المحسنين.
So Allah rewarded them for these words with the gardens beneath which rivers flow, so that they would abide there forever. Such is the reward of the people who do good.
وَالَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَكَذَّبُوا بِآيَاتِنَا أُولَئِكَ أَصْحَابُ الْجَحِيمِ.
Those who disbelieved and gave the lie to our signs are rightfully the inmates of the blazing flame.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تحرموا طيبات ما أحل الله لكم ولا تعتدوا إن الله لا يحب المعتدين.
Believers, do not hold as unlawful the good things which Allah has made lawful to you, and do not exceed the bounds of right. Allah does not love those who transgress the bounds of right.
وَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ حَلَالًا طَيِّبًا وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي أَنْتُمْ بِهِ مُؤْمِنُونَ.
And partake of the lawful good things which Allah has provided you as sustenance, and refrain from disobeying Allah in whom you believe.
لا يؤاخذكم الله باللغو في أيمانكم ولكن يؤاخذكم بما عقدتم الأيمان فكفارته إطعام 10 مساكين من أوسط ما تطعمون أهليكم أو كسوتهم أو تحرير رقبة فمن لم يجد فصيام 3 أيام ذلك كفارة أيمانكم إذا حلفتم واحفظوا أيمانكم كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تشكرون.
Allah does not take you to task for the oaths you utter vainly, but He will certainly take you to task for the oaths you have sworn in earnest. The expiation for breaking such oaths is either to feed 10 needy persons with more or less the same food as you are wont to give to your families, or to clothe them, or to set free from bondage the neck of one man, and he who does not find the means shall fast for 3 days. This shall be the expiation for your oaths whenever you have sworn and broken them, and do keep your oaths. Thus does Allah make clear to you His commandments. Maybe you will be grateful.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون.
Believers, intoxicants, games of chance, idolatrous sacrifices at altars, and divining arrows are all abominations, the handiwork of Satan. So turn wholly away from it, that you may attain to true success.
إنما يريد الشيطان أن يوقع بينكم العداوة والبغضاء في الخمر والميسر ويصدكم عن ذكر الله وعن الصلاة فهل أنتم منتهون.
By intoxicants and games of chance, Satan only desires to create enmity and hatred among you, and to turn you away from the remembrance of Allah and from prayer. Will you then desist?
وأطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول واحذروا فإن توليتم فاعلموا أنما على رسولنا البلاغ المبين.
Obey Allah and obey the Messenger, and beware. But if you turn away, then know well that our Messenger had merely to deliver the message clearly.
ليس على الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات جناح فيما طعموا إذا ما اتقوا وآمنوا وعملوا الصالحات ثم اتقوا وآمنوا ثم اتقوا وأحسنوا والله يحب المحسنين.
There will be no blame on those who believe and do righteous deeds for whatever they might have partaken in the past, as long as they refrain from the things prohibited and persist in their faith and do righteous deeds and continue to refrain from whatever is forbidden and submit to divine commandments and persevere in doing good, fearing Allah. Allah loves those who do good.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا ليبلونكم الله بشيء من الصيد تناله أيديكم ورماحكم ليعلم الله من يخافه بالغيب فمن اعتدى بعد ذلك فله عذاب أليم.
Believers, Allah will surely try you with a game which will be within the range of your hands and lances, so that He might mark out those of you who fear Him, even though He is beyond the reach of perception. A painful chastisement awaits whosoever transgresses the bounds set by Allah after His firm warning.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تقتلوا الصيد وأنتم حرم ومن قتله منكم متعمدا فجزاء مثل ما قتل من النعم يحكم به ذوى عدل منكم هديا بالغ الكعبة أو كفارة طعام مساكين أو عدل ذلك صياما ليذوق وبال أمره عفى الله عما سلف ومن عاد فينتقم الله منه والله عزيز ذو انتقام.
Believers, do not kill game while you are in the state of pilgrim sanctity. Whoever of you kills it willfully, there shall be a recompense the like of what he has killed in cattle, as shall be judged by 2 persons of equity among you, to be brought to the Kaaba as an offering, or feed the needy as an expiation, or its equivalent in fasting, in order that he may taste the grievousness of his deed. Allah has pardoned whatever has passed, but Allah will exact a penalty from him who repeats it. Allah is Almighty. He is fully capable of exacting retribution.
أحل لكم صيد البحر وطعامه متاعا لكم وللسيارة وحرم عليكم صيد البر ما دمتم حرما واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون.
The game of the water and eating thereof are permitted to you as a provision for those of you who are settled, and for those on a journey, but to hunt on land while you are in the state of pilgrim sanctity is forbidden for you. Beware then of disobeying Allah, to whom all of you shall be mustered.
جعل الله الكعبة البيت الحرام قياما للناس والشهر الحرام والهدي والقلائد ذلك لتعلموا أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وأن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Allah has appointed the Kaaba, the sacred house, as a means of support for the collective life of people, and has caused the holy month of pilgrimage and the animals of sacrificial offering and their distinguishing collars to assist therein. This is so that you may know that Allah is aware of all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth, and that Allah has knowledge of everything.
اعلموا أن الله شديد العقاب وأن الله غفور رحيم.
Know well that Allah is severe in retribution, and that Allah is also all-forgiving, all-compassionate.
ما على الرسول إلا البلاغ والله يعلم ما تبدون وما تكتمون.
The messenger is bound only to deliver the message, whereafter Allah knows well all that you disclose and all that you conceal.
قل لا يستوي الخبيث والطيب ولو أعجبك كثرة الخبيث فاتقوا الله يا أولي الألباب لعلكم تفلحون.
O Messenger, say to them, the bad things and the good things are not equal, even though the abundance of the bad things might make you pleased with them. People of understanding, beware of disobeying Allah. Maybe you will attain true success.